Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a very long time since I've vlogged. I was at Soweto for like 8 days or something like that, but I'm back and I just want to keep getting my life together because I get it together, I ruin it, and my room is a mess, which says a lot about me, apparently. But for now, I'm gonna cook, nothing much. I'm gonna make rice and then pork. I don't know if you guys can see me properly because the way this camera is positioned, I don't know. And I'm using the back cam. But yeah, let me, also I need to first wash the pots because the pots are the only dirty thing. I'm gonna make rice and pork. Wow. So guys, in the meantime, while I wait for my pot, to cook up, I'm gonna try to rebraid myself because I don't like the style. I don't think I can make it look cute. So I'm just gonna unbraid and then rebraid something better. If I can find the picture, I'm gonna put it right here. So yeah, you guys are gonna do that with me and also watch TV. And then if we never to share. I wanted to show you the end result, but I'm gonna show you like perfectly on the pictures because right now I need to do some touch-ups, edges, make sure I get the right angles because you can tell by my phone that it's bad quality. By the way, I just woke up. And I was burning here. I was making what's this? A vorst for myself to eat. But I didn't. And my mom was asleep.
German on the beat.
Ulungile. Yini alihlala noluves. Guys, ngingcono mina ngibayini. Ufuna ukukhulumisa. Yey.